Hello, I'm Changsun Pyong from Tabio. We have been trying our best to prevent the COVID-19 outbreak since the beginning of the company. Today, let me introduce the non-contact temperature measuring kiosks that we have installed across the country and the automatic disinfect product called Smart Cube that we've launched recently. The new product Smart Cube provides the measurement of the temperature as well as disinfecting your hands all at once. This product is designed to check the high temperature, so let us show you what happens when a person with a high temperature is detected. Let me increase the temperature of my hands on purpose with hot water and check the temperature. You can assemble the product in different ways and directions. This setup is for the use of adults and children using it together, for example inside department stores and academy. Adults can access this way, and children can access it this way. You can assemble these two pieces of the top and the bottom in the directions you want. Below is where you can store a large amount of disinfectant, which is sufficient for 10,000 uses and more. So far, we have introduced you Smart Cube. We have seen some privacy concerns with the camera of the kiosk. When it's needed to monitor the visitors, you can utilize CCTV function. You can also use QR code reader function to update the electronic entrance list for the government. We have been developing COVID-related products since the beginning of the year and asked ourselves, why is COVID-19 not going away? In the beginning, we offered camera-only stands like this a lot, but we have seen some cases where the stand easily fell down, and also realized temperature checking isn't sufficient to prevent COVID-19 because 1/3 of the COVID cases doesn't show clear symptoms, meaning temperature alone wouldn't accurately detect the positive COVID cases. We can all wear masks to prevent droplets, but it's hard not to use our hands. The use of credit card, use of share pens, we touch door handles between entering and exiting buildings. We share the same handles in buses, subway, escalator, elevators. It's hard not to use our hands. Coronavirus can live up to 9 hours in our hands. But if you disinfect your hands, you can kill the virus in 15 seconds. So it is very important to guide people to disinfect their hands when entering buildings. But people are hesitant to use the hand sanitizers these days because they are afraid to touch the pump, or they pass by the sanitizers because they are busy. COVID prevention is only complete when you wear a mask and disinfect your hands. So we are offering a product that allows both functionalities.